On the 75th birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, these pictures coming in as he is visiting Madhya Pradesh today, and as part of this visit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi to inaugurate and launch several key initiatives spanning health, nutrition, tribal welfare and industry. Prime Minister Narendra Modi waving out to the crowds who've gathered in large numbers to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister on his 75th birthday.
मध्य प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर मोहन यादव और धार संसदीय क्षेत्र की सांसद और केंद्रीय मंत्री भी इस रोड शो के दौरान मौजूद। आपको बता दें कि आज प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी मध्य प्रदेश के धार से कई बड़ी सौगात देने वाले हैं। इस दौरान प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी
Mr. Narendra Modi's visit coinciding with his 75th birthday, and as part of this visit, he will launch the Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar and the 8th Rashtriya Poshan Mah campaign in Dhar. This is to happen in a few minutes from now. These campaigns that have been organized, where more than 1 lakh health camps have been organized nationwide. This is across Ayushman Arogya Mandirs, community health centers, district hospitals and other government facilities. And remember, this is to span from 17th September to the 2nd of October. In fact, as part of this campaign, there will also be blood donation drives. Beneficiaries will be enrolled under Prime Minister scheme and provide Ayush services, including yoga sessions. Donors will be registered on the e-Raktosh portal. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also set to reportedly transfer funds under the Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana directly into the bank accounts of nearly 10 lakh women. The largest women outreach that it is being looked at, where this campaign aims to provide women-centric preventive, promotive and curative healthcare. It will focus on early detection and treatment of non-communicable diseases. Prime Minister will distribute 1 crore sickle cell screening and counselling cards in Madhya Pradesh to strengthen the fight against sickle cell anemia. Let me cut across to my colleague Aishwarya Paliwal, joining us on the broadcast as we stay with those pictures coming in from Dhar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in that road show waving out to the large crowds that have gathered to catch a glimpse of Prime Minister Modi on his 75th birthday, Aishwarya.
Well, Suresha, one of the things that Prime Minister Modi has time and again been speaking about, and this is what the BJP also has been focusing on over the past few years, is the fact that one needs to do something across the for the people. And that is why we are now seeing, not just in the national capital, not just the place where Prime Minister is, but across the country, we are seeing these blood donation camps, which at the moment are being done. The Bharatiya Janata Party is saying that this is an entire week of Seva. This is the Seva Pakhwara. That's what the BJP is saying. Giving back to the people, that is something that has been the focus, not just the blood donation camps that we are seeing, Suresha, taking place. Also, medical health camps, they will be set up. There will be food stalls that will be that will come up across the country. They will also make sure that all the MPs, all of them have been asked to make sure that you reach out to as many people as possible, tell them the benefits that have been given by the government, and also tell them what the government has in the pipeline, the kind of schemes that the government has come up with, something on those sorts, something on those lines also to be told to the people. And if you think that there is something that can be done, then that feedback also BJP at the moment very clearly looking at.
Right, Aishwarya, we will come back to these pictures in just a moment, but for the at this time we are getting big breaking news coming in. I request you to stay on with us.